Alright, so this is a Colt 45 CO2 pistol. Um, it's my first one that I've ever had, so it's kind of cheap, I guess. Um, it's plastic, as you can tell, the upper part, you know. Um, and it's kind of gay because this is all one piece of plastic, and like this doesn't really do anything. So yeah, and this is the magazine. Just put all these in there and stuff, and then you put, like your little CO2 cartridge right there, and then BBs. But yeah, it's kind of cool for like a beginner. Its caliber is 6mm. And it holds 14 BBs, and the velocity is pretty fast. It's 410 feet per second, so it hurts like a bitch when you get shot by it. And it's also got a tactical rail, but I'm never gonna use that shit. So you just put it in like that, and then you just shoot. And then there's a safety right here. Just like put it up, and then like you can't pull the trigger all the way, and you just flip it down and then shoot it. So that's that.